For a long time, the dominant operating systems for mobile devices have been Android and iOS. However, recently, there's been a third contender. It's called KaiOS. And what is KaiOS? This phone costs $15 and I ordered it from Amazon. It's quite a bit cheaper than the $1,000 iPhone or the $50 to a couple $100 Android phone. So in third world countries, what's happening is people buy these kind of phones, just flip phones that run KaiOS, because they're so much cheaper. This was 15 bucks, and in a country like India or something like that, you can probably get it for a lot cheaper than 15 USD. Is it really important that your apps and websites support KaiOS? Well, I mean, not really right now because there aren't that many people using it, but it's certainly going to go on an uptrend in the future, so it pays to at least know what's going to happen when your app or website is running on KaiOS. And now I'm going to try and show you the actual phone operating system. So I'll power it on here. Zoom in. Right there it says powered by KaiOS. Now this brand I found on Amazon. It's called Alcatel as far as I can tell. And it's not the same brand as the phones people have in third world countries. That brand is primarily the JioPhone, JIO. So here is the home screen, and if we press the OK button, then we can get a list of the apps supported by this phone. Now, if you're an app developer, it's going to be kind of hard to get a native app. As you can see, all these apps are kind of just like the basics, like calendar and calculator and things like that. And on the actual KaiOS website, they say in order to get a native app, you need to reach out to them and work with them directly. So the way that we get apps on KaiOS is through the browser on web apps. And here is a web app that I have created. And so it's just critlist.jamesonsaunders.com. I'll leave a link below the video to that so you can check out how it runs on other devices. But in fact, I'll just show you that right now. I'll show you how it runs on Android. Alright, so here's my Android phone. Basically, you just have a list of things to do, and you have later, complete, and critical tasks. And so that's how it looks on Android. It runs the same on iOS, basically. And on KaiOS, it's working fairly well as well. We can go over here to the home page and see the number of tasks completed. And I've already logged in and so forth to save time for this video. But we can scroll down on this page. The only thing that I can't really get to work, and I don't think will ever work, is features such as swiping left and swiping right. So typically in this app you can swipe left on a task in order to delete it and swipe right to complete it. But I don't think that's really going to happen on this app because it's not a touch screen. So if you're targeting users on flip phones, probably don't include like a swipe to complete feature, but I'm just doing a video about it. Anyways guys, that wraps it up for this video. Hopefully you found it interesting. I know I certainly did. Thanks for watching. Make sure to subscribe for more videos from me, Jameson Saunders, and I'll see you in the next video.